This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by connecting accounts and radios so the two devices can talk. Sign into the same Apple ID on both devices, turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, then enable handoff on iPhone and Mac. Next, open iPhone settings and allow calls on other devices. On the Mac, enable FaceTime to accept iPhone calls. These are the minimum requirements. Once done, your Mac can route calls, SMS, AirDrop, and personal hotspot requests from the phone. Now configure the apps that actually use the connection. Open FaceTime on the Mac and confirm calls from iPhone is active. Place or receive a test audio call using Contacts or FaceTime. In Messages on the iPhone, enable text message forwarding for the Mac so Green Bubble SMS appear in the Messages app. For file transfer, use AirDrop from Finder or the Share Sheet. For Internet, select your iPhone's personal hotspot in the Mac Wi-Fi. Complete the setup by testing each feature. Call from the Mac, send a Green Bubble SMS, AirDrop a photo, and join the personal hotspot. If something fails, make sure both devices run recent OS versions and are on the same network. Once done, try toggling Bluetooth or handoff, then sign out and back into iCloud if required. The fastest troubleshooting move is to toggle calls on other devices and FaceTime off and on. Then restart both devices. That resolves most continuity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.